Ginger. Just the word evokes warmth and a hint of spice, conjuring images of cozy kitchens and aromatic dishes. This knobby rhizome, with its tan skin and fibrous interior, is more than just a culinary staple. It's a symbol of comfort and health. For centuries, ginger has been revered across the globe, prized as both a flavor enhancer and a powerful healer. Ancient civilizations, from the Chinese to the Greeks, recognized its potent properties. From the steamy jungles of Southeast Asia to the bustling marketplaces of India, ginger's distinct aroma has permeated kitchens and apothecaries for millennia. Its journey from wild plant to cultivated crop is a testament to its value. Its versatility knows no bounds, finding its way into savory dishes, sweet treats, and traditional remedies. Whether it's spicing up a curry, adding zest to cookies, or soothing a sore throat, ginger is indispensable. But ginger's appeal extends far beyond its culinary uses. It's a cornerstone in natural medicine, cherished for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This unassuming root harbors a potent arsenal of beneficial compounds, making it a sought-after natural remedy for a wide range of ailments. From digestive issues to colds, ginger offers relief and healing. So let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of ginger and uncover the secrets behind its enduring legacy. Join us as we explore its rich history, diverse uses, and the science that makes it so special. Ginger's story is a tale of ancient trade routes and cultural exchange, a journey that spans centuries and continents. Originating in the lush tropical regions of Southeast Asia, this prized rhizome embarked on a journey that would spread its influence far and wide, touching the lives of countless cultures. Across India and China, ginger quickly became a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems. Its healing properties were woven into the fabric of daily life, used to treat a myriad of ailments and promote overall well-being. Ancient texts extol the virtues of ginger, documenting its use for digestive ailments, pain relief, and even respiratory issues. These manuscripts serve as a testament to ginger's long-standing medicinal value. Ginger was also believed to offer protection against the plague, a testament to its revered status in ancient herbal remedies. As trade routes expanded, so too did ginger's reach. It traveled with merchants and explorers, finding new homes in distant lands. Arab traders introduced the spice to Europe in the 1st century AD, where it was met with enthusiasm and quickly integrated into various aspects of daily life. Ginger's exotic allure and therapeutic benefits captivated Europeans, securing its place in medieval apothecaries and kitchens alike. It was used not only for its flavor, but also for its medicinal properties. From east to west, ginger's influence on culinary and medicinal practices is a testament to its enduring appeal and remarkable versatility. Today, it continues to be a beloved ingredient in kitchens and a staple in natural medicine cabinets around the world. What is it about this humble root that makes it such a potent healer? Ginger, with its knobby, unassuming appearance, has been revered for centuries across various cultures for its medicinal properties. The answer lies in ginger's complex chemical makeup. This root is a powerhouse of bioactive compounds that work together to provide a multitude of health benefits. Within its fibrous flesh lies a treasure trove of bioactive compounds, each contributing to its impressive therapeutic profile. These compounds are not only responsible for ginger's distinctive flavor, but also for its wide-ranging health benefits. Gingerols, the pungent compounds responsible for ginger's characteristic bite, are potent anti-inflammatories, effectively combating pain and reducing inflammation throughout the body. They are particularly effective in alleviating symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Shogols, another group of powerful compounds, exhibit impressive antioxidant and anti-cancer properties, protecting cells from damage and potentially inhibiting tumor growth. These compounds are formed when ginger is dried or cooked, enhancing its medicinal potency. And let's not forget paradols, which contribute to ginger's warming and analgesic effects, making it a natural remedy for muscle soreness and menstrual cramps. These compounds also play a role in improving circulation and providing relief from digestive issues. This unique combination of bioactive compounds working in synergy is what gives ginger its remarkable versatility and efficacy in addressing a wide range of health concerns. From traditional remedies to modern supplements, ginger continues to be a vital component in the pursuit of health and wellness. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, recognizes ginger as a universal medicine. For over 5,000 years, Ayurvedic practitioners have harnessed ginger's therapeutic power to restore balance and promote well-being. In Ayurveda, ginger is believed to ignite the digestive fire, enhance nutrient absorption, and alleviate digestive discomfort. Traditional preparations like ginger tea, infused with warming spices like cardamom and cloves, are commonly used to soothe nausea, reduce bloating, and promote healthy digestion. Ginger's warming properties extend beyond the digestive system. Ayurvedic practitioners utilize ginger's ability to improve circulation and reduce inflammation to alleviate pain, particularly in conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Whether incorporated into a warming massage oil or consumed as a comforting tea, ginger's healing touch is deeply rooted in the wisdom of Ayurveda. Section 5. Beyond the Bite, Ginger's Modern-Day Miracles. Modern science continues to validate what traditional medicine systems have known for centuries. Ginger is a potent healer. Numerous studies have confirmed ginger's efficacy in addressing a myriad of health concerns, solidifying its place in the world of evidence-based natural remedies. Nausea, often a debilitating side effect of chemotherapy or pregnancy, finds a formidable opponent in ginger. Studies have shown that ginger can be as effective as some anti-nausea medications, providing much-needed relief without the unwanted side effects. Menstrual cramps, a common source of discomfort for many women, can also be effectively managed with ginger. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to relax the uterine muscles, reducing cramping and pain. From ancient remedies to modern research, ginger's ability to alleviate suffering is undeniable. Section 6. Ginger for glowing skin, nature's beauty secret. Ginger's benefits extend beyond internal health, making it a sought-after ingredient in skincare. Rich in antioxidants, ginger helps protect the skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritation and redness, making it an ideal ingredient for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Ginger can also help to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of scars and hyperpigmentation. Whether incorporated into a DIY face mask or applied topically as an essential oil, ginger's rejuvenating properties can help you achieve a healthy, radiant glow. Section 7. Incorporating ginger into your daily life. Adding ginger to your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start your day with a cup of soothing ginger tea, the invigorating aroma awakening your senses. Grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups and curries, adding a zesty kick and a boost of flavor. Experiment with ginger in your baking, incorporating it into cookies, cakes and even homemade granola. The possibilities are endless. For a convenient and potent dose of ginger's goodness, consider adding ginger supplements to your daily regimen. Whether you prefer capsules, extracts or powders, there's a ginger supplement out there to suit your needs. Section 8. Embrace the root of wellness. Ginger, the unassuming rhizome, has earned its place as a culinary hero and a medicinal powerhouse. From ancient traditions to modern scientific research, ginger's versatility and efficacy in promoting health and well-being are undeniable. Embrace the power of this remarkable root and discover the many ways it can enhance your life. Incorporate ginger into your diet, explore its therapeutic benefits, and experience the transformative power of nature's healing touch. Whether enjoyed in a warming cup of tea or incorporated into a nourishing meal, let ginger become your ally on the journey to optimal health and well-being.